Viewers, I am Venkat Gaddam, technical analyst. So today date is 27th July 2022, and we would like to see what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is 15-minute chart for Nifty, and this is today's 15 minutes candles, and this is yesterday's one. So yesterday we have seen a big red color candle towards downside, and it has taken support somewhere 16,500 level, and after that it was given a small pullback up to 16,575, and again in second session it was fallen to nearly 16,470 levels. So today when market opens somewhere here, and the first 15 minutes candle, it was too much volatile and it was created a big range, and second 15 minutes candle also closes below yesterday's low. This is yesterday's low, and the first 15 minutes candle and second 15 minutes candle both closed below of yesterday's low. So that indicates market has weakness. But suddenly the third 15 minutes candle has taken a big reversal, and it closes above yesterday's low, and immediately there is a big rally up to yesterday's pullback. So this pullback was day before yesterday's low. So yesterday it has taken some resistance day before yesterday's low, and today whatever the pullback of yesterday's, it was reached immediately and consolidated for almost 1 hour. After that it was a big green color candle, and it broken that level day before yesterday's low and yesterday's pullback level, and immediately it crosses above 16,600 and closed somewhere 16,650 level. So recent high of Nifty was 16,750, and today it's closed somewhere 16,650. So entire week, so Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, today is Wednesday, last 3 days the range of Nifty was 16,750 and 16,450. There are about only 300 points range. So market is moving since last 3 days, it is moving in between 16,750 and 16,450. For the next upside or downside, market should break any of these two levels, either 16,750 or 16,450. If we see technically the three candles, the first three candles, the first three 15 minutes candles, technically the first candle, second candle and third candle, it is called as morning star. There are many patterns. So first candle length and third candle length in terms of real body, if it is similar, and when we compare the middle candle, that is second candle, the middle candle's real body should be very minimal when we compare with first candle and third candle. So then it is called as morning star. So for morning star, the first requirement should be trend should be in down, and once trend is in down, if we observe the pattern like this, three candles formation, the first candle should be in red color, second candle color no importance, and third candle should be green color, then we can expect a big up move. So today same thing happened. Once it forms the first 3-15 minutes candle, after 45 minutes market immediately changes its direction. So morning what we thought was market will go below and touch somewhere 36,350 levels or 400 levels, but it didn't go to that direction. So though it started towards downside direction, but immediately it was changed the direction and closed very strongly. We'll see the next higher time frame, that is 30 minutes. So even if we see 30 minutes time frame also, the first two candles, it is indicating bullish engulfing pattern. So when there is a bullish engulfing pattern in downside direction, definitely market will take a up move. So it was taken a bigger up move actually. Okay, so when we go to the 1 hour chart, so all these 1 hour time frame, 1 hour candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, it has been formed higher highs and higher lows. So higher highs, higher lows means it's a strong uptrend, and any of these candles didn't break the previous candle's low. Okay, and not only that one, it breaks yesterday's high and it closes above yesterday's high, and also it was crossed below yesterday's low and closes below yesterday's high. This we can call it as outside candle. Technically, when outside candle forms in any of the trend, so the trend will continue actually. So since last 10 sessions, 9 to 10 sessions, Nifty is in strong uptrend and there is a profit booking happened for the last 2 days, and today it closes above yesterday's high. So in any of the trend, if it is an upward trend, market may continue towards upside. Okay, same thing happened here also. We have seen one uptrend and some profit booking happened, and again trend continuation happened, and again here one small profit booking happened, and again it is trying to go towards upside direction, but we should wait till it closes above recent high. So the recent high for the bank Nifty, for the Nifty is 16,750, and today it was closed somewhere 16,650. There is 100 points range to confirm the clear-cut trend. Okay, so technically what we are expecting, it will go towards upside, but we should wait till it closes 16,750, then only we can take the confirmation. See, recent move also same thing happened. When it closes the recent trend above, immediately it took from here to here, there is a big rally. Here also we should wait till it closes above 16,750 level, then only we can confirm the uptrend. But as for today's chart analysis, market was closed in strong uptrend only. So there are two important things. Tonight in US there is a Fed meeting. There may be a chance of to increase the in bank interest rates, and also tomorrow we have monthly contract expiry, futures and options contract expiry. So two important things are there. We should be very careful till we break either side of the market important levels. So either side means upside it should be 16,750 and downside it should be 16,350 or 400 levels. Okay, so this is about Nifty, and if we see weekly time frame, still market is trading in the range of last week high and low. So though 3 days over for this week, market didn't cross or touch previous week Nifty's high. Okay, so market is in profit booking zone, so we need to wait till it closes above 16,750. So next we can see Bank Nifty analysis also. Before that, today what happened for our trade, so we booked about more than 12 lakhs profit. So there are about 3 trades, 37,000 put, 36,300 call and 35,500 call. So initially, so this was in profit side only, but when we see the market sudden up move, so immediately we book the loss and immediately we increased the quantity for the call side, and almost more than, when it crosses more than 12 lakhs profit, we closed all the positions. So this is about our trading today. And Bank Nifty, this is 15 minutes candle chart. We'll see. Same like Nifty, Bank Nifty also opens in a flat mode, but it closes below yesterday's low. How Nifty closed yesterday's low? Same, Bank Nifty also closed yesterday's low, and it was weighted first 15 minutes and second 15 minutes also below the yesterday's low, but immediately the third 15 minutes candle closed above that yesterday's low. And also it was formed a morning star pattern. So when there is a downside direction, downside trend, if it forms these kind of patterns, immediately we should change our analysis also, our positions also. So immediately market, when it forms that morning star in Bank Nifty, like Nifty, Bank Nifty also, it was moved upside with very strong note, and after that here it was taken some profit booking, and immediately there is another up move and little bit profit booking and another up move. Okay, so here when we see for the last almost 3 hours or 2.5 hours, market was traded in a tight range, and it is, for today the Bank Nifty low was about 36,250 and high was 36,800. There are about 550 points range created for today's trading. So this 550 points, though it is a bigger move, but market was traded with high volatile node for the last 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So this indicates market is waiting for the direction. So the recent high for the Bank Nifty was 37,000 and today's high was 36,800. There are about 200 points required to break the recent high, but we don't know whether it will break that level or not, because tomorrow is the expiry date. So we need to wait that level, that important level, 37,000 level. If it breaks and closes above at least for half an hour to 1 hour, then it may go towards 37,500 to 38,000 direction, or downside we need to wait for this important level, 36,200 level. So today also it didn't touch 36,200, but there is a big support at 36,180 and 36,200 levels. So downside we need to wait that level, or else market may go upside direction only. So before going to close the one, we need to see the higher time frames as well. So first 30 minutes also it formed very strongly. So the top two first 30 minutes candles pattern wise, this is called bullish engulfing. So when there is a downside direction, if any candles forms like this, so first one is in red color and second one is in green color, and the candle size, if it is more than the first candle's real body, then definitely we can call it as a bullish engulfing. So we can make this as a stop loss and we can take the positions once it breaks that level of first candle's high, and immediately it was created a big rally actually. So 1 hour time frame also it was created higher highs and higher lows. Technically, higher highs and higher lows means it is an uptrend actually. So none of any 1 hour candles previous candle low didn't break actually. Okay, so previous candles low of any candles didn't break. So clearly market is in uptrend, but only thing, market since last 3 days it was traded in this range only. So these 3 days are for this week trading. So we need to wait either side breakout or breakdown. So either 37,000 upper side or 36,200 levels downside. So we need to wait any of these two levels, then only we can take the decisions for the longer periods. And 1 day candle, like Nifty, Bank Nifty also creates an outside candle. So this outside candle indicates that the current trend will be continued further. And if we observe yesterday's high and yesterday's low, both were broken and it closed above yesterday's low. Today's candle closed above yesterday's high. So that indicates market is in a strong mode towards upside direction. So, and also one more thing, when we compare last 3 days close, today's Bank Nifty close was very strong, higher than last 3 days close. So that indicates another big strength is there for the banks. And one more thing, if we observe weekly chart, so today it closes above previous week high. So whatever previous week range, there are about 2000 to 2500 points range was there for last week, and today it was closed above yesterday last week high for the Bank Nifty. And we need to see whether it breaks 37,000, and if breaks 37,000, market is looking for the next move, that is 38,000. Okay, so if we observe monthly candle also, so market is trading last 2 months high. Not only last 2 months, last 3 months closed above that last 3 months close. Market Bank Nifty is trading above last 3 months close and above last 2 months high. Now it is in a strong note actually. So towards upside direction it is trading in a strong note. So this is today's analysis, and we will meet tomorrow for the same Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Thank you so much.